Okay, I'm going to show you how to create the linkage peg, starting with a sketch on a plane, of course. I'm going to use the revolve feature for this, just like we did with the hitch peg. But it looks like they don't give us enough dimensions to do this, so I'm going to show you how to do this. First of all, the overall height is 0.325. Now, the diameter of the peg is going to be 0.0625, and we're making half of that, so I want 0.03125, 90 degrees. Then this comes up 0.25. Now the part that it looks like we don't have is like, well, how long is this here? I don't really know. So I'm just going to kind of put a line way out there. Then I need to create an arc. Center point arc. Now here's where it gets tricky. Notice it's the dimension view says a surface radius of 0.1562. So I want the center of that radius to be coincident with this line here at a y distance of minus 0.1562 because I started at 0. And I need my, oops, let's try that again. Center point arc, x of 0, y of minus 0.1562. Now I want this part to be coincident with that point, and now over here I don't really care where the arc ends, okay? Because then what I can do is just use the trim command to trim this line there and that line there, and that's basically the finished profile. The last thing I can do just to make sure this is fully constrained is coincident that point with that line, and we're still not fully constrained. Let's see what happens if I drag that. Yeah, okay, so that's not quite there, is it? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dimension this arc to be 0.1562. Is that it? Yes. There we go. Now there's your profile, and then we can revolve that. Obviously, full, okay, and there's your hitch peg.